Hey there, health enthusiasts! Did you know that the food you eat can have a significant impact on your health? In fact, switching to a plant-based diet will transform your health in ways you never imagined. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based diets and the incredible health benefits they offer. With their increasing popularity in the health and wellness community, it's time to explore why so many people are making the switch. Let's check the current issues with traditional Western diets. These diets are often high in processed foods and animal products, leading to a host of health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. It's time for a change. Now, let's delve into the numerous health benefits of a plant-based diet. By focusing on whole, plant foods, you can significantly lower your risk of chronic diseases, improve your digestion, boost your energy levels, and even help with weight management. The power of plants is truly remarkable. Switching to a plant-based diet transformed my life. My energy levels soared and I feel healthier than ever.
I managed to reverse my type 2 diabetes by adopting a plant-based lifestyle. It was life-changing.
Imagine this. A study showing that individuals who switched to a plant-based diet saw a dramatic improvement in their cholesterol levels and overall heart health in just a few weeks. These stories are not just anecdotal, they're backed by science. In summary, the health benefits of a plant-based diet are undeniable. From reducing the risk of chronic diseases to improving overall well-being, the evidence speaks for itself. It's time to consider making the switch for a healthier you. I encourage you to try incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet and see the positive impact it can have on your health. Share your own experiences or questions in the comments below. Let's continue this important conversation together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you in the next video. For more information and recipes to start your new healthier life, check out the link in the description below.